Alec Baldwin's trial for the 2021 shooting death of Halyna Huchins on the Rust movie set is about to begin. Alec Baldwin has officially arrived in court as he prepares to go on trial in the death of cinematographer Halyna Huchins on the set of Rust in 2021. Baldwin's arrival in the Santa Fe, New Mexico courtroom came as jury selection began in the trial, with opening arguments expected to begin on Wednesday. The actor, who is currently filming a new reality show with his wife, Hilaria, is facing involuntary manslaughter charges following the death of Huchins, after initial case dropped. He has pleaded not guilty. The trial begins amid a new civil lawsuit from Huchins' family, as well as a win for his legal team, after a judge ruled that Baldwin's producer role credit on the film could not be used as evidence against him in the case. If convicted, Baldwin could face up to 18 months in prison. The trial comes as a result of his connection to Huchins' death on the set. After he was practicing a cross-draw in a small church on the Bonanza Creek Ranch set when the revolver he was holding fired off a live round, which fatally struck the 42-year-old cinematographer. Armorer Hannah Gutierrez Reed was already tried and sentenced to the maximum 18-month sentence in March. Baldwin has maintained his innocence in the case, but since being indicted earlier this year, his attempts to shift blame to Gutierrez Reed and the film's assistant director have been blocked. With the same judge who handed him the win on his producer credit also ruling during pretrial proceedings that findings from a state workplace safety investigation was going to be excluded from the trial. Baldwin has claimed he pulled back the hammer on the gun and not the trigger. In addition to Huchins, director Joel Souza was injured. After jurors are selected, they will need to decide if Baldwin is guilty or not guilty on the single count of felony involuntary manslaughter. The trial is expected to take no longer than 10 days, and jurors have to reach their decision unanimously.